Hello, I'm Mr. Juan and this is Strumming Through the Americas. Today we're going to learn the chords for 3-note samba. These are 3 chords that we already know. The G, the D7, and the C. Okay, so the first 4 bars are going to be 2 chords per bar on the first bar and then 1 chord on the second bar. Okay, and it repeats twice G, D7, and G. Let's hear it. G, D, 2, 3, 4. G, D7, G, 2, 3, 4. That's the first part. The second part is 2 bars with 2 chords per bar. It's going to be G, D7, G, C. And then the second half of the phrase is going to be G, D7, and G. Let's hear it. G, D7, G, and C, G, D7, and G. So the whole thing is G, 2, 3, 4. G, D7, G, 2, 3, 4. G, D7, G, and C, G, D7, and G. 2, 3, 4. Take care. Bye bye.